So hi guys, today there is something new and it is Gsd German Shepherd versus Belgian Marinos. Let's get started. Intelligence. Gsd 5 stars, Belgian also 5 stars. Bite force. Gsd is a lot more bite force than Belgian, so that's why it's 5 stars and Belgian is 4 stars. Aggressiveness. GAD is 2 points, of course, or maybe not. Belgian is 4 point stars, and it's very jealous. Be careful. Aggressiveness with strangers. GHD is a lot aggressive with strangers, and Belgian also is. Kid friendly. GSD in German Shepherd is a lot like total family dog, I think so. And Belgian not so much, but it's quite a bit. And because jealous, so it might bite someone. Which will stand by your side. German Shepherd will 5 points stand by your side, and Belgian mostly won't stand by your side. In fact, it just may run away like "Tung!" Like that's why. So Belgian is 1 star. And then thanks. That's it for today.